Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I wash, clean, and dry my brushes in 10 seconds. Yes, I said it, 10 seconds, guys. I'm going to be unboxing the Mega Info Makeup Brush Cleaner, and even on the packaging, it states that this is supposed to dry your brushes in as quick as 10 seconds, guys. So anyways, opening up the box, it does come with a few supplies. There's the brush bowl, and there is a makeup cleaning mat, and there are about 8 rubber colors to fit different sizes of brushes, of course. It also comes with the brush spinner, and then it comes with a user manual or an instruction guide. It was really easy to use. The instructions are not complicated at all. You want to wash your hands first, get the germs off, and then I suggest rinsing the bowl or washing the bowl. And to clean my brushes, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques makeup cleansing gel, and I'm just going to put that into the bowl, and then I'm going to put in some water. I prefer to use warm water. You just need a decent size amount of water, just enough to cover the bristles of the brush. The next step, which is kind of hard to see, is to put in the color, or find a color that fits the brush, and then you put in the spindle. I'm not sure if that's what it's called, but you put in the rubber pointy thing there, yeah, and then you attach the brush spinner, and you're pretty much good to go. I just dip in the brush about 2 or 3 times, and then I power button, and it just starts spinning. And it's a little bit wobbly for some brushes, especially for brushes that don't quite fit the color properly. I've also noticed that you kind of need like a firmer grip. Once you have it held properly and firmly, it'll just spin around. And to dry the brush, you just lift it up and it spins and dries. I find that for some brushes that are a little bit thicker, it could take a little bit longer. So the manual just advises to spin dry for 10 seconds at a time. So dry for 10 seconds, stop, and then dry for 10 seconds again. And yeah, and there you see the brush is out. It's clean and ready to be used. I find that it also works perfectly for the smaller brushes, blending brushes, the eyeshadow brushes. Those pretty much wash and dry in, let's say, 30 seconds in total. I usually let it wash for about 30 seconds, 30 to 45 seconds, depending again on how dirty the brush is and depending on the thickness of the brush. The only cons that I have are the fact that I find it a little bit hard taking off the color sometimes. A color, maybe with time and with more practice, I'll get the hang of it. And then the other con was pretty much the fact that it didn't come with batteries, and that's pretty much my fault. When I first got it, I was so excited to use it and wash my brushes. The first day I opened it up, and then I realized no batteries, and you have to use 2 AAA batteries, and at the time I had none, so that was a little tiny bit upsetting. Other than that, this product works perfectly and I have no complaints. For brushes that don't fit, again, you pretty much just have to soak them in some brush soap and let them soak for about 10 to 15 minutes or 30 minutes or even 2 hours if you'd like. Pretty much just scrub them or wash them against the mat and rinse them out and let them dry on a paper towel. I never let them dry on a paper towel overnight. That's just breeding bacteria. Once the paper towel starts getting wet, I just take off my brushes, and then I just put them into a container or a stand, and I let them air dry. I'm very happy with this product. If you're like me and you do not like washing your brushes, I suggest you get something like this. It's just 31 Canadian dollars, and it saves you all the hassle, and you get to use your brushes just as quickly as you've washed them. So yeah, I feel like this is a healthier and a cleaner way of washing your brushes. They're washed, they're dry, they're ready to be used. They don't have to sit out for so long. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I will leave the link to this product in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe. I will catch you in my next one. Bye.